What's going on, guys? We got the Traxxas Rustler here. We're going to see if we can get a quick video in switching out the what you call it, the battery box here and stuff like that. This battery box. We had issues with the switch, so switch was shut off, and then oh nice, I just lost the screws. Give me a second. My fault. Alright, we got the screws there. I just pulled everything off and lost everything probably. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so we're replacing this here and that because this here is faulty, kept shutting off, and then it would yeah, we get weird with it. So I think somewhere I have zip ties. I'm gonna find them. But yeah, we're just gonna pull this apart real quick. I think I have the screws where the Phillips head. Look at that there. You gotta sometimes do that card there. Somewhere you got Phillips head. So screws. See if I get the right. Should be good, I think. Alright, let's see if we can get yeah, right. Alright, yeah, that's not bad. We can get this. I think we can get this out. Pull this out of there like that. Pull that out. See if we can get this off here. Pull that off. Yeah, we're just doing it real quick. Do it quick. Try to. probably keep this. We just gotta probably sometime down the road I can replace the switch, but I don't know. It's a faulty switch apparently, because yeah, car would shut off basically. Not motor. Motor wouldn't shut off, but yeah, the ESC. I mean the control, like the receiver would shut off, like the power to it, but then the motor stays running. Then I have no steering, and I got to where the car was. Like it was getting weird. It was doing its thing, like. Where it would cut off, and then all of a sudden, sometimes it would sit there and go, like, take off on its own. And it was doing that, and I was like, wondering what that was. So I don't know if that was part of it, but. Hold on, I get it. Let's see. Alright, we got that. Get that in there. So we can get that like that. So hopefully might have to hit it up with some we'll hit it up with some zip ties over here, kinda keep it out of its way. Get some little zip ties over there. I'm just gonna try to sneak it. What I need to do is get like a I mean, it's not bad. It's going pretty good. I mean, we're getting it through without have to worry about too much. Like, it's snaking it through pretty good, so. Yeah, we'll have to get some we'll have to get some zip ties after and just swing it through, but we're just gonna do this quick. So you don't need to be I think I had some zip ties somewhere. I'll have to see what it is. Yeah, we'll have to get some zip ties up in here. Let's put them over there. I don't know if it needs to be away from that more. Could be away from that. I don't know. I mean, we got other wires up in here that are kind of close, so I think we should be good. I just gotta get the controller sometime and put batteries in it, and then we can plug this up in the steering. See which one it was. I can't remember what it was. It's supposed to be 3, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know because it's a nitro, so it might be a little bit different. But yeah, we'll pull some of these cords in here, tighten them up with some zip ties. I have small zip ties somewhere. Yeah, I know I have them somewhere, but that's fine. But yeah, we're good now. I think we should be good. We just gotta I have batteries, but I gotta get the controller. I don't have the controller down here. And we'll be able to rip this thing again. Hopefully, this will not shut off on us. Like, not the motor shut off, but the what you call it? The steering and all that, and the receiver kept shutting off on that other one. It was a bad switch. So, but hopefully you guys like it. We just did a quick little, just replaced that. So we'll be able to get that out again and rip it around. Gotta get a couple. I gotta finish, not that, this. I gotta finish the sledge. So I gotta start doing some repair on that again. I got parts and everything. So hopefully you guys like this video. Check it out. All right. And hopefully sometime we get out that Kyosho, which is over there somewhere in a tote, on top of a tote. All right. Thank you. Please subscribe and thumbs the video up. All right. Check you out later.